Hey guys, in this video I will show you how I cook egg. And I have 4 eggs, chopped cilantro, chopped onion, I have sweet banana pepper, and I have chopped tomato. I put everything on a bowl, sprinkle a little bit salt, mix it. I am using 4 eggs today. Mix it well. I have finished mixing everything. I will put extra virgin olive oil and I will cook the egg in medium heat. Now I will put eggs into the pan. I'm cooking this delicious fried egg in medium heat. It's time to turn over the egg. I just turned over the egg. I will turn off the heat right now. You can try this delicious fried egg at home and you will love it. It's also for people who are on keto diet. You can also take this recipe and cook eggs. If you are on keto diet, you can cook egg using this recipe.